Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Things have escalated with this rodent repair. We started cleaning out the cowl and we noticed a lot of debris coming out of where the wiper arm is attached to. We take the cowl off and that's what we find. We find the second condo of Feifel and two holes, or they might have been split up. I don't know. I don't understand their relationship. One might be sleeping here. The other one was probably sleeping on top of the hood that the nest was there before on yesterday's video. This one here. So we found giant nest number 2 here. More food. But we also found the access port to the interior. Now, they did design a grate there to stop this from happening, but the guys chewed right through it. Don't eat food in the vehicles. Don't leave food in the vehicles. If you have pets in your vehicles, do not leave treats in your vehicles because this will happen. And as we can see, this nest has been there for a while. This stuff right here, that's from the interior. That's carpeting from the interior. This right here is insulation from the engine bay, perhaps from one of these or from the hood insulator. So we could see we have 2 different materials in this nest, which is crazy, man. They went all the way into the interior, chewed whatever to get this entire portion of it. It's a pretty big nest. There might be multiple, there has to be multiple rodents in this vehicle. Has to be. We got the staining of pee-pees and poo-poos there. So what we're gonna do the usual that we do. We're gonna clean all of that out. We're gonna clean the entire engine bay until it looks good. We had to vacuum out inside there. Oh, there's still debris in there, and we could see there's, yep, that's pee-pee and poo-poos. But the filter was okay. It wasn't that bad. We could probably bang that stuff out. That looks recently replaced. Yeah, it's a constant battle that we are losing. We are losing this battle against Feifel and two holes. We got some more content where I felt like I was in a Tom and Jerry cartoon, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Alright guys, let me know in the comments, is this a winning battle that we're ever going to win? Are you fighting this battle currently in your area with rodents? Let me know. Until then, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Well, at this point, hit that bell notification for further rodents and rust, because that's the main stuff we're going through. Alright guys, peace.